In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up seamless automations with Notion using popular automation platforms like Zapier, Make.com, or n8n. Whether you're just getting started with automation or looking to refine your current setups, this guide will walk you through the entire process. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to decide on your preferred automation platform. This choice typically depends on your specific needs, budget, and comfort with the interface. Zapier is very user-friendly, often favored for its extensive library of apps and intuitive flow design. Make.com, formerly known as Integromat, offers advanced customization features and is great for complex workflows. Then there's n8n, an open source option that's excellent for those who enjoy a high degree of control and flexibility in their automation tasks. Spend a little time exploring these platforms to see which aligns best with your requirements. Once you've chosen your platform, the next step is to authenticate your Notion account. This usually means connecting Notion using API keys, a step that's crucial as it allows the platform to communicate securely with your Notion account. You can find your API key in Notion settings under the integrations section. Each platform will have detailed instructions on where to input these keys, so be sure to follow those guidelines to ensure a smooth connection. Now that your Notion account is linked, it's time to select the apps you want to connect with Notion. This could be anything from your email service to your task manager or even other databases. Check the available integrations on your chosen platform to see if they support your desired apps. Make sure to consider what end result you aim to achieve, as having a clear goal will help guide your choices and make for a more efficient workflow. With your app selected, you'll move on to configuring triggers and actions to automate workflows between Notion and the other apps. Triggers are events that start an automation, like adding a new item in Notion, while actions are the tasks performed as a response, such as sending an email or updating a database. Carefully think through what actions you want to happen in response to specific triggers. This is where the magic of automation saves you time by handling repetitive tasks automatically. Once everything is configured, it's essential to test your workflows. This step ensures that each automation performs as expected and allows you to catch and correct any errors before they go live. Most platforms provide a testing feature, so take advantage of it. Finally, activate your workflows to enable continuous automation. Watch as your connected apps now interact effortlessly, freeing you from the mundane tasks and letting you focus on more important work. By following this process, you can create powerful automations with Notion that streamline your work and boost your productivity. Whether you're managing projects,